If your indoor seed starting turns into a messy science experiment, then you need to try the Veggo Ultimate Gardening Setup System. This is my first year utilizing it, and I'm so excited because it has so many built-in items to help automate and reduce manual efforts, and we're gonna break it all down today. Hey friends, welcome back to the Garden Next Door. I'm Danielle, I live in Zone 7, and every year I am starting my seeds indoors, and I strive to make things easier every single year from what I'm learning. In the past, I showed you my garden setup for starting seeds, but we are upgrading to this amazing system. And my goal for this year is how to automate things and reduce manual tasks. I feel like sometimes I have negative time as a mom of two. It definitely feels like I'm doing a lot of things and my time to garden is just becoming less and less. But I don't want you to feel like because you have negative time that you can't be gardening, because you definitely can. It might just mean creating systems that are automating for you, and that way you can get a lot done with a lot less time. And then you can focus on the fun aspects of gardening, even if you do have time. So let's break it down. This is the system that I have set up. So you can see it is about my height. I'm around 5'5". They do have a few different systems, so you can go much larger or smaller depending on what you need. But this is the system that I purchased. And what I love about it is there's just so many things that make it amazing. So let's start off top to bottom, soup to nuts, what this includes. To kick things off, let's talk about the actual assembly of this bad boy. Now, it was really easy to set this up. Everything kind of clicks into space and the directions are pretty self-explanatory. It's a no tools needed kit. Anything that you need is going to be included in the kit, so you really don't have to worry about breaking out any toolboxes, and anyone can really figure it out. I probably did it in around 15 to 20 minutes. And you'll notice that a lot of things are nice and adjustable. So even our shelves come with nice and adjustable heights depending on what you're actually going to grow. So when you have nice microgreens or seeds that are starting on a tray and they need to be closer to the light source, you can move the tray up and down in regards to your needs. And you can even take apart this piece and minimize the height, which we're going to do in just a little bit because I'm going to show you how I'm toddler hacking this, because we do not have the space in our tiny home to have this out on the ground without our kids getting their fingers in it. So we will get to that in just a moment. Now let's talk about the showstopper aspects, and that is the LED lights. And they are super smart. I love everything about this. Every piece on this is basically a magnet. So what's really cool is the lighting system that it comes with is magnetic as well. So there's this nice magnetic piece that it comes with. Click this on and you can see here on the bar, it has all of your different light settings. So depending on what type of plants you're growing, you can switch the light settings accordingly to go to that setting. So if you're doing seeds, leafies, fruits, you can go ahead and just switch which one you want, and it will change the lighting structure of it, as well as it changes the duration. So it's a smart system that is going to automatically turn on and off, so you do not have 24 hours of light on at all times. It will automatically go on and off to help with whatever your seed types actually need. And then what's great is all of these pieces just magnetize into place. Really, really awesome. I love it. What's also cool about this light setup is you'll notice that all of the lights connect along. So they all seed into each other and then into the plug. And what they even thought of is they have these little magnetic pieces that you can put on to the pieces of wire. So they come like this, and you just put them around your pieces of wire so that you can magnet them onto your elements so they are nice and hidden, or you can make them a little hidden and go along it. There are little hooks here in case you want to hang any of your nice gardening tools onto here. And then your trays do have a nice catch here in case water spills, anything like that. Now, all of this equipment is not outdoor proof, so you don't want to be adding your plants onto here and then sitting it outside just because it's not super weatherproof. This is made to be indoors only, so just keep that in mind. This isn't something that you want to bring in and outdoors. But with that being said, it actually does come with its own set of wheels here that you just clip in, and you can also break them. So you can be wheeling this around if you wanted to move it to different locations and have it go wherever you need, which is pretty cool. I did mention that we have toddlers at home. So in order to make sure that they do not get into our garden, because I know they will be attracted to dirt because I have 2 boys, what I am going to do is I'm actually going to pop off the wheels and place it on top of this table. So it's gonna look a little funky in here, but we're gonna see if it fits, and I'll show you how you can really utilize this in a lot of different ways. So let's go ahead. We're gonna take this and pop the wheels off. You can see the wheels just pop on and off here. Removing the wheels and adding this on top of a table was my real life setup. What I love about this is it is very modular, and you can choose to remove different layers, choose to turn lights on and off, and really make it fit the space that you want. Even add back the wheels and roll it around. Now, depending on your needs, this is going to be an amazing fit. If you're looking for something that has a nice amount of seed space, I think that the trays are really a great space. They fit a nice seed tray in them, and their modular ability to move up and down in the system makes it really great for when you're starting seeds and then when they start to get a little bit older. Okay, let's talk pros and cons. The pros are this is really easy to set up. I think it looks really nice and sleek. I tell you what, it looks a lot nicer than the one that I built, and I will link down below how I built it and what I used for that. But I think this just looks really sleek, really nice. You can get one with a storage in it, and it comes in a different variations of sizes. So measure your area before you do anything to make sure that it's going to fit in this space. You can see that it is pretty modular. So my real life setup of removing the wheels and putting it on a table is something that works for me, but it's always going to be different depending on what you need. If you have a lot of seeds that you're looking to start for this growing season, this is going to be a great purchase because the trays are really great size, and the lighting, having a few different modes, the 5 different modes, is going to make it really nice because you can grow a few different varieties on each shelf for your needs. The cons here is it is a bit pricier. So if you're looking to be more budget friendly, you might want to do one of the DIY options. But if you're looking for a nice sleek option, this could be really nice. And I do have a $10 discount code that I will link down below, so that could help you kind of get to your price goal that you're looking for. Veggo Garden also has a lot of options when you're looking to start seeds, as well as when you're outside in the garden doing some modular gardening there. So definitely take a look at their website even if you aren't interested in this, because there are so many great garden finds on their website, so many great gardening products. I absolutely love them, and I love partnering up with them. I hope this was helpful as you're getting started this spring season. Definitely make sure to subscribe and follow along, because this is just one of the many videos I'm going to be sharing on our seed starting journey from inside all the way to outside and creating your own food garden. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.